I'm Lydia. I'm from Spain, from Barcelona, and I'm in Nantes because I started the PhD in research of cancer. And I have two questions to respond. Le premier, un endroit à visiter à Nantes. I think I would say Le Château, because it was the most characteristic thing, I think, when I first came here. And I don't know, you feel like you are in the 15th century, like a long time ago, with like a kind of medieval, and I think it's very cool. Ah, la deuxième, il dit une personne qui vous fait penser à Nantes. I think I'm gonna say a person of my lab whose name is Gael, because since I came here, she's helping me a lot. And also, I mean, she make me meet other people, and you know, when you first go to a new country, it's kind of difficult, and she helped me a lot, and I think she's a very, very nice person. Et voilà, c'est tout.